Hi there everyone, this is Brian with MeasureSquare. In this tutorial we're going to cover how to use our taxes setting tab inside of MeasureSquare CRM. This will let you predefine some tax codes, that way you don't have to type in the same tax codes over and over and gets rid of the hassle of tracking multiple tax codes. To get started, we'll navigate to the settings tab in the top right by clicking the gear icon. And in the pop-up we'll go all the way down to taxes near the bottom. Here you can see the taxes that we have already defined as well as the rate associated with them. To edit these, you'll have to go to the right hand side, click edit to change the name or rate, click set as default so that way it's automatically applied to any of your order forms, or you can delete them altogether. To create a new tax, we'll click the tax button in the top right corner. We can give it a name. This could be a location, this could be a code or anything like that, and we'll give it a tax rate since we're in California. Now to use these taxes, you'll have to navigate to any one of the order forms. That includes quotes, bids, invoices, purchase orders, and work orders. We'll dive into one of our pre-existing quotes. And if you view the edit button for any of these order forms and scroll to the bottom, you'll have the subtotals. In the subtotals, you can click on a tax code. In this case, we'll add the one that we just created. So we'll apply the tax and show you the value or the cost of that tax. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and thank you again for watching. Happy measuring, everyone!